Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Shalita If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. That way you never miss an upload from me. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this protective style that I currently have installed. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. It feels like it's been such a long time since I've made any type of hair content. And I feel like that's partially because I have been loving and living in crochet braids. They come in a bunch of different styles, colors, and they last for a super long time. One of my favorite go-to styles for the last few months has been these crochet braids that I currently have installed. Go ahead and give you all the details on this hair. So I don't actually have the insert that comes with the packaging. I actually have the back of the packaging, and this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little crazy, but we just here for the details. So these are the crochet braids that I currently have installed, and they are by the brand Model, and they are their 30-inch Nigerian pre-stretched 24-inch braid. And so that is what it looks like. I originally purchased 5 packs of these. I only installed 4, and I went ahead and used a 5th pack to touch up my perimeter. I like to do that maybe every 2 weeks or so throughout the course of the install. This is how they look. They're just really simple braids. They're pre-knotted and dipped on the end. So these are what they look like. share with you guys a second option of the crochet braids in a similar style. I personally like for my braids to be a little bit on the fuller side, but if you do prefer to have your braids on the smaller side, I do recommend purchasing the Lula Truss ones. These are a similar style. These are the micro box braids. They're also pre-stretched and they're 24 inches. With these, I purchased 6 packs. I used 5 and I used the last pack to go in and touch up my perimeter just like I did with the Model brand. I'm going to show you what these braids look like and then I'm going to compare the two. This is the Lula Truss braid. You can see that it is smaller than the Model one. It also is pre-tied and dipped on the end. Here they are side by side so you can get a little comparison. This one is the Model one and this one is the Lula Truss one. They are about the same as far as color range go. Model is a little bit bigger than the Lula Truss. I feel as if the Model one, the bigger one, is easier to crochet as far as when you take your hair and feed it through the actual braid. This one took me a little bit more. The Lula Truss took me a little bit longer to actually feed my hair in between. But if you're looking for a fuller install with less packs, quicker install period, I will go with the Model. This is how the ends look. They're both pre-dipped. The Model one does have a little bit more hair loose at the end, and then the Lula Truss is twisted all the way down to the bottom. I really enjoy both of these styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a back view. For height reference, I am 5'2"-ish, and they are about 24 inches, and they come right to the top of my butt. I love how long they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. This is how they look from the back. All right, guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you all enjoy, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.